Yeah, there you go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are out on a different kind of adventure today. It's not the caravan, it's not the boat. We're doing a walk and cookout. So we are currently doing a circular around Hinton Abner. The route is about 6k and we'll be putting up a tarp a bit later on and getting the stove ready. Just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed to the channel. My original goal was 100 subscribers and I've smashed that already. So a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And I've had so many nice comments on my previous video, which I'll leave a link to up there. It really does help with the motivation and confidence to continue this going forward. And I hope you're enjoying the format and the editing. The route that we're taking is available on the All Trails app. I'll put it up on screen now and you can see the route that we're actually doing. We're going to be going through a couple of forest sections which we're starting to enter now, or woodland I should say, and we'll be looking for a nice spot to put the tarp up and starting to cook, because I'm getting a little bit hungry now. I think it would be a nice time to start. Things I do for creativity. I think we found the spot for our cookout, just in between the pines here. Should be quite nice. So time to get the tarp up. Now I use these handy little hooks that I got off Amazon just to hook around the tree. Right, we've got the tarp up to some fashion. It will keep the rain off us anyway, so that's the main thing. Next thing to do is to get the cooker out and start cooking these bacon buns. We've got the stove all ready. Let's start cooking this bacon. I have got some wet wipes to clean my hands afterwards. So there we go. Just spread those apart. Okay, we've got the buns. You have as one, Sonia, or two?
One.
One, okay. I might have two. So there we go. Let's get the bacon bits in there. And in there. One goes in there, oh, it's a bit wobbly. One goes in there. Fantastic. Right, time to enjoy these. Put some tomato sauce on and enjoy. Here we go. I'm just gonna bacon butty in the woods. Mm. For some reason, it always tastes better in the woods. So we're going to enjoy this and enjoy the surroundings for a little while before we carry on our little adventure walk. So I'm going to sit and eat this now, and we'll catch you when we're back out walking and packing up the tarp. See you soon. Okay, that is the hot water boiled. Let's get the hot chocolate ready. My spork. Try and fill that up. I think this is one that you should have milk with, but hey ho. Now it's time to get the tarp down and carry on with our little trek. So let's get on the road. All packed up, as you can see, leave no trace. There's no signs of us being there at all. So we're going to get back onto the pathway now and carry on the Hinton Abner Circular. Ooh, nearly fell over there. Bit of a precarious tree there across the path. Not sure it's resting on that much either. Look at the trunk on that. A monster. As we walk back into Hinton Abner, I'm going to put up some drone shots so you can see the actual property itself and the estate. It was actually quite haunted between the years of 1765 and 1777. It has one of the most famous poltergeists in English history. Scary stuff. We are almost back to Hinton Abner. We've got to walk across the grounds. I think there's a pretty church that we'll just take a few shots of, and then it's back to the car. On to the next one, on to the next adventure. Will it be the boat? Will it be the caravan? I'm not sure, but next weekend does look like the weather is going to be okay, so we will be doing something. Back into the grounds of Hinton Abner. Just have a quick look at this old church. I do like looking at the architecture and how they're built. It's incredible with all these square flints. Very pretty. Very nice indeed. Right, we are going to call it there for this video. Thanks ever so much for watching and staying till the end if you have. Thanks again to all the people who have subscribed to the channel. It means a hell of a lot. Thank you very much. I hope you're going to enjoy the more videos we've got coming in the future. And if you want to leave any messages down below, I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, bye bye.